I think Canada has the mindset, we have the people, we have the diversity, certainly have the talent to become a leader in innovation. My name is Eva Lau, Managing Director and Co-founder of Two Small Fish Ventures. So Two Small Fish Venture is an angel investment vehicle for me and my husband Alan. I joined Wattpad 2009, helped them scale the user base from its infancy to tens of millions. And by 2013, that's when Alan raised Series B for Wattpad. And that's when I told him, I said, it's time for me to do something else. Come 2014, when I decided to actually make myself available as a person who can share experience in building startups. So that's when I started Two Small Fish Venture. We focus in investing early stage startups in Canada. For me to participate in the early stage investment is basically going to the very grassroots of the process and get started. I think it is very important for investors to have an investment thesis, because otherwise they will end up being pulled into many different directions. And to me, I think the value of having an investment thesis is allow me to focus and allow me to actually leverage my portfolio companies to create some kind of a community. My investment thesis is based on network effect. For people who works with me, they have to see that network effect is going to make the biggest difference in their company strategy. Those are the people that I look for.
I'm Stephanie Lapierre. I'm the founder and CEO of Tealbook. We're building the most robust, the most intelligent, and the most trusted B2B network.
I'm Liran, the CEO and co-founder of BenchSci. BenchSci is a machine learning company that applies AI to decode biomedical papers and that helps scientists conduct more successful experiments and therefore accelerates drug discovery. Eva and Ellen are great investors because they've been there, so they really understand what you're going through, what you should be doing next.
She looked at my investment deck and she was very honest with me to say that my enterprise solution story and the way I was presenting Tealbook to investors was not very exciting.
Between me and Alan, we have over 40 years of experience in operating companies. So we can totally share our operational experience and insight of how to grow a company.
The size of the check from Eva and Alan didn't matter. Actually, I didn't care how much money they put into this round. It was them. Beyond having her and Alan Lau as investors, giving the confidence as to why they invested into Tealbook. That alone is credibility, and then having continuously their guidance is invaluable.
Your relationship with angel investors really evolves as the company grows. So I meet with Eva every couple of months. We don't talk, I guess, from a position as she's an investor and I'm a founder. She's more like, hey, I've been there in your shoes. I understand how hard it is.
By just working with them, it allows me to create a playbook, and you allow these companies to share knowledge among them. I think for anybody who wants to get into angel investing, I encourage a couple things. First of all, find a venture that you actually are very passionate about. Maybe their value, maybe their mission or vision, it's really in line with what you personally believe. Join our angel group. Leverage the power of the angel group who have people in there, been there, done that. Most importantly, I absolutely think that people should invest things that they understand. And you can add a lot more values to the entrepreneur journey because they can leverage your skill. Having more women, or I should say having more diversity in investment is crucial. If companies look for investors that are with a diverse background, they will help them to build a product that can cater to a global world. We need more angel investors in our ecosystem. A lot of the companies certainly need expertise to help them, but certainly need the funding to get kickstarted. I think that is a vote of confidence in the entrepreneurs, but it's also a vote of participation in building the ecosystem in Canada.